spirits wherever they're at.
When you hear the knell of the requiem bell,
Here goes green where the spirits dwell.
restless bones and eerie lies.
Rise as spooks on every side.
When grinning ghosts come out to socialize.
When the crypt doors creak and the tombstones quake, spooks come out for a swing and blink. Happy haunts materialize and begin to vocalize. Grim grinning ghosts come out to socialize. As the moonlight high on a dead oak tree, spooks arrive for the midnight spree. Start to shriek and harmonize. Grim grinning ghosts come out and socialize.
Welcome, my friends, to the most spirited season of them all. I am your host, your ghost host. The 999 happy haunts and I are ready to materialize for a spooktacular celebration. You never know who will drop in. After all, this is Halloween.
This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. Boys and girls of every age, wouldn't you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see. It's our world of Halloween. Oh, this is Halloween, this is Halloween. Pumpkins scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween, everybody make a scene. Trick or treat, till the neighbors gonna die right. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. In your world we call home. Everyone hails at the pumpkin song.
And now, our disembodied friends would like to serenade you with some scary okie. Just a few of our favorite tunes that we dug up for the occasion. We hope you'll enjoy a little night music. Feel free to sing along.
We're just some poor unfortunate souls in pain, in need. Poor unfortunate souls, so sad, so true. Poor unfortunate souls. Cruella de Vil, Cruella de Vil. If she doesn't scare you, no evil thing will. To see her is to take a sudden trail. Cruella, Cruella de Vil. She's like a spider waiting for a kill. Looking for Cruella de Vil. Trust in me. Just in me. Shut your eyes. Trust in me. A Heffalumperwoozle is very confusal. A Heffalumperwoozle's very sly. They come in ones and twos, but if they so choose those, before your eyes you'll see them multiply. The elephants on parade, here they come, give me the holiday. They're here, and suddenly elephants everywhere. Look out! Look out! The elephants on parade! Who's afraid of the big bad wolf?
Halloween, darlings!
Why, the Sea Witch. So glad you could plop in.
This is what I live for. It's such a wicked time of year, isn't it? And I have just the spell to put us all in the mood. The Lucas of Rugacum winds of the Caspian Sea. The Princess Lycidas, Max Laryngitis, mon voce to me. Now sing. Sing! Sing!
For unfortunate souls in pain in me.
Yes! Kidding when they called me, well, a witch.
Unfortunate souls in pain in me.
Sweet lips, I'll give you all a little treat.
Unfortunate souls, that's so true.
Next year you'll be dressing like me.
For unfortunate souls.